Hi, today I'm running Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. To change the sound mode to vibration or mood one, just select one from these available modes. In sound mode, we could just activate vibration while device ringing, and in mood mode, we could use the temporary mode and mode it for 1, 2, 3 hours or to set the custom. So here we can change the ringtone and notification sound. In system sound, we could activate and turn off the touch interactions, dial buttons, keyboard sounds, charging screen and lock and lock sounds just by use the switchers. And to activate or change system sound volume, we should first be sure that the don't disturb mode is turned off. So after that, I'll show you how to. And don't forget to change mood sound. So here in sounds section, we could change system sound volume. So let's go back. In volume section, we could change ringtone, media notifications, and system sound just by slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots to use volume keys for media. And when you turn it off, you'll use volume keys to change the ringtone. So let's go back. Here we could change call vibration and notification vibration patterns just by select one from these available ones. In system vibration, we could by the same way change the activate turn off the touch interactions, dial pads, keyboard, charging and navigation gestures vibration by just use the switchers. Let's go back. Also, if you want to change here the vibration intensity, that's why. Let's go back. Here in sound and quality effects, you could use Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming, and to use the separate app sounds. And also we got here the don't disturb mode section. Just to activate don't disturb or turn it off, you should use the switcher. How to set it for how long, to set the schedule, the start and the time, and to allow the calls, messages, notifications, alarm sounds from any people's applications. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.